Everyone, today I'm going to be talking about my very first lace front wig that I bought maybe 2 days ago. Well, I bought it at a local beauty store. I was kind of leery about getting it, but I'm glad I did. I really do like this wig. It's by a company called Champagne. I've never heard of Champagne before, and the style of the wig is Rachel. If you are into big hair, then I think this is a great wig. It is synthetic though, but it's very, very soft. If you were to get this wig, I think it would be very useful to get some type of spray to use for the wig. When I bought the wig, the store, one of the ladies in the store that usually works with the wigs, she cut the lace off for me. So I thought that was really good because I don't know anything about cutting any lace. Like I said, it's my first one, so I was kind of scared about doing that. But it comes with 3 combs in the front, and then you have 1 comb in the back, and then it has adjustable straps also in the back. It did come with tape, but I won't be using the tape. I know if you go on Muffins Is My Lovers, she did do a review on this hair, if you want additional information about it. But I will be leaving the video that she did below. And so I want to thank you all for watching, commenting, rating, and subscribing. And pictures of the lace front will be at the end. I will talk to you all later. Bye bye.